I've mudded enough in my time. So while they're mudding, I'm gonna be out here finishing up some odds and ends in the yard. We got some nice weather. Still a bit to do with this deck, the railing going down, some of the steps here need to be repaired. I am just doing a site check. Looks like James probably has one more skim coat to do, but man, I got food poisoning. Still got the shakes, still a little weak, so I don't even want to be here. Just sometimes the freedom comes with a cost, right? Freedom also means no freedom. You gotta do shit when it's gotta be done. Anyhow, I guess I better do something. How about we get a tub? Threadlock on that?
Threadlock? No,
is that what they call it?
We use
Teflon tape or something?
Not for that part. I don't put it on there because, well, that's a good question. Because that thread relies on compression of a washer. So if you wrap it with threads, you're going to be restricting the amount that it can tighten in and compress that washer. You only use Teflon tape or pipe dough when it's a thread-to-thread seal. Not a thread-to-washer, because the washer needs to compress.
Interesting, I like it. There you go, swinging the hammer.
There you go, man. Doing something every day.
Alright, so the hardwood flooring guys are starting today. Around lunchtime, I believe they're starting. And they're gonna be working late tonight and into Saturday. And they're planning to have the entire place completed by the end of tomorrow. We're also getting power turned on today. All the wiring, all the plugs have been put on, but we still have to tie in the breaker panel. So it's a bit of a hectic day because we got quite a mess here we have to clean up before the hardwood guys start, because they're not going to want to clean up. They priced this place to have the floor ready to go. So it was ready to go, but then yesterday we made another big mess. So I have to get everything off of the top floor and find someplace out of the way to stash it, and then they can go at it. The railing guy was here yesterday. Nice railing. 21 doors. Doors are on. All 21 doors installed. That wasn't so bad actually. Okay, so now we're doing window build-outs. Window build-outs meaning this area right here. So the frame, some people would call it the window frame. Part of the window opening that's going to be hiding the sides, the spray foam. So basically just a big giant window frame. We're gonna build it, slide it in. It slides into this little channel here. For the main floor, or at least for these two front windows, we're gonna do something a little bit more elaborate. Instead of just a regular MDF window jamb, we're going to do the window jamb and then we're gonna add some raised paneling to the sides. But anyway, so raised paneling for the two front windows, and maybe a couple other windows if we have time, but definitely the two front ones.